exercise. Okay, everyone seen my post yesterday? Okay, I want to test your this one. So if anyone are getting delayed, please drop out. Okay, this is extra. Okay, now there are two questions I posted. You remember in our
Regarding scripting, sir,
in our
answering the
ha
two
ha
like
ha.
you.
Okay,
Yeah.
so see here first, right? This is the first question, right? So what is the answer here? What is the gap here?
It should be if, right? Only one number you are taking there.
There are so many issues are there. Okay, so see, I am writing it. Okay, let's discuss line by line. Okay, so first line issue, what is the first line issue?
Incident.
Incident should be under quotations.
Incident should be under quotations. Okay, small, right? So let's make it bigger. So this incident quotations are missing. Okay, good. Now it's clear. Next line.
Semicolon.
Okay,
Semicolon.
semicolon is missing. Second one. So many people now in the answer they said, okay, number should not be passed. CCID should be passed. If I have been provided with number, I have to provide number only, no? So correct. Only problem here is this colon is missing. Okay. Now third one. What is the issue with third line?
Remove.
Nothing is wrong.
Dear dot query. No.
It is correct
Nothing is
only, sir.
wrong. I think it's
This is
correct only.
correct only.
If
Many people are getting confused. Underscore is not required. Underscore is not required. Okay. If you keep underscore, if you don't keep underscore, both are same. Okay. Underscore query or normal query both works in the same. So there is no issue here. Okay. Then what is the next line? What is the issue in the next line?
semicolon again.
Don't have semicolon.
It have
No,
semicolon. Okay. One thing is missing. Then what is the next issue?
If should
Sir,
be used.
semicolon after
Because
here.
it's only one.
Okay. As it is a one record, we can go for if.
Yeah.
Okay. That is one thing. So inside if, then what is the issue in this particular one?
Sir, that work notes is incorrect.
I think it's right only.
It's right only. There is no wrong here. Work notes is the correct one, and then you are passing it. And then what is the next issue?
Semicolon.
Semicolon, sir.
Semicolon.
So these are the main findings, correct? Many people, almost everyone, many people written it right only. Okay, but somehow one or two is missing. Like if they miss if here, they said okay, if is fine, while is fine. Okay, and many, almost everyone mistake is remove this, remove this, remove this. Okay, underscore is not required. If they are saying underscore is not required means they don't know the definition of underscore query. They never learnt it or they never used it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So this is part number one. I posted one more question actually. Okay. The next question is, I think it's from our student only, right? This is the question. Very carefully read the question. Okay. So it will open. Will it open? So here, this is one activity where you are getting answer and you are pushing the group manager sysID. Okay, so you are pushing the group manager sysID using .work, but it's still not working. Why? Okay, that person don't answer. Whoever given this question, don't answer this question. Okay, remaining people try. So here there is a group. Okay, group is a variable in the form, that is a reference field. So you got the value of group, then you took an ID. Okay, grp dot manager. Okay, let's say you got it. Either you directly pass, okay, here only in the line number 7 you pass, okay, answer dot push equal to grp dot manager. Line number 6 is not required. Directly you can take dot work. Instead of ID here you pass grd dot manager. It will work. Dot work, it should work. But even though if I keep dot work, it's not working. This activity is not working. Why? Just observe and then tell me. Think. Please think. Just observe it very carefully. Just observe it.
Just answer only where we have to remove.
So line number, as
In
per
the
my
line,
as per my statement, line number 6 is not required. Okay. So where answer equal to this one, where grp equal to current dot variables dot variable name, answer dot push equal to grp dot manager. These three lines are needed. Even though if I keep these three lines, still it is not working. Why?
Variable name is has to be
Correct,
users.
ma. No, no, group, ma. In the form there is a group, and I want group manager approval.
Maybe silly, but push ID braces
No, no,
like
no, no. It's correct only.
no,
We
no.
didn't see here. If it is push ID, na, then line number 8
Yeah.
is indicating the same thing, na.
Sir, that group backend name should be given.
Group dot manager. Group is a variable. Okay. It's a pointing referencing to group table, and you are getting that group, and then you are getting the manager of the group.
Yes, sir, but the field name of that group is
Okay.
backend name is group.
Okay. So see here. I will tell you why practice is must. Okay. Very carefully see. Right. Now you will get links. That's why I will always say practice is important. Okay. Where is approval? Please keep it on mute. Okay. Right. I'll copy this one. Okay. So what is this activity? Approval group. Correct. Okay. And I'll take this approval user also. Okay. I'll copy this one. Now read this two and very carefully see what is the issue now.
Push of GRP.
Okay. So if you see this is approval group, na approval group. Okay. Answer will look for sysids from group table. So whatever your answer, you are pushing the answer here. That should be the sysid of a group. Is that correct?
yes, sir.
Everyone correct? If this is approval
Yes.
group activity, I took that line from approval group activity. Okay. Approval group means the sysid should be group only, correct? And here approval user.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Approval user activity. So the sysid should be of user activity. So the answer that whatever you are pushing here should be a sysid of a user table, right? Now what happened is here you just see the image here now. What is this activity? Is that a user activity? Is that a group activity?
It's a group activity.
Group
So
act.
you are taking a group activity and you are pushing the user sysid. How system will identify? The sysid that you are pushing here should be there in the group table, correct? But the manager sysid will be there in which table?
User.
User
User
table.
User.
table. Then how it works? You are understanding now? Until and unless you write a script, you understand this line. Many people don't even read this particular line also. Okay, this level of understanding will come only when you practice it. When the student sent it to me, I read it 4 times and then I felt it is very easy. Initially, line number 6 not required. Directly pushed line number 7. I told, but still it didn't work. Why is because this is the reason. Then I find it out. This is the reason. So group IDs. This is a I seen group IDs and then I got to know this is a approval group activity, not approval user activity. Correct, Nama? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
we need to be this much deeper in live environment. If not, you are gone. The same issue, if you try for 2 days also, it don't fix. Because it's script is exactly right. Only 3 lines. Where answer Okay, where current dot variables dot variable name, just get the variable and directly push answer dot push equal to grp dot manager. Line number 6 is not required. 3 lines of script, but it don't work for years also if you try. Okay, good. Fine, now you understood how it is live, and we are not even preparing what we covered in class, so that's where the challenges will come. Okay, I think I posted a simple another question. Okay, maybe that also you touch it. Go back. I thought that's why I thought like our students will post the right answers, but I don't think so. Our students even responded. One or two people responded. One girl from B32 responded. There is one question I posted. Okay, what is that question is? What is the difference between incident form dot incident dot do? Tell me the answer.
Dot do we usually use in URL, and I think we usually navigate from incident.form.
Okay, the incident dot form is to open a form. That's straightforward. A new form. Okay, many people are written. Okay, one guy written. Okay, incident dot form will open list. No, no is the answer. Okay, form is to open form. New form of the table. New creation form of the table. Very straightforward. Dot do also opens the new form. Okay, that is okay, correct. Some partially it is correct. Dot do also opens the form, but I can't use dot do for every case. Why is because starts dot do opens a page here. So to open UI pages, to open URL something, we use dot do. Okay. So can I say starts dot form? If I use start dot form, will it open a form? No. To open a UI
No.
page, I need to use do only. So finally, what we concluded is always for a new form, just use form. Okay, that's it. Don't use do. If you use do, it will work, but do use is a different one. That
Yeah, one time you said, sir, dot do the other things
other
also.
things also,
Some.
like it opens the pages. Okay, so see here, starts, right? It's a module, but what is the backend logic? It is there. It is open a UI page with do dot do. So that's what I think I told. Correct? Do is to open. There is a UI page, and that UI page is to open a UI page. We have a shortcut like do, dot do. So this is the meaning of dot form and dot do.